Well, it's not a very damn nice day out here today. It's been raining all day, about 45 degrees. Kind of a inside looking out day today. So I thought I'd do some inside work. Got tomato cages all wrapped up with plastic, just in hopes of getting tomatoes out in the dirt. The wife, she had to work. She's out in the greenhouse. Let's go see what she's doing. Well, I ain't quite sure what she's doing in here. She up and left when I come in here with a camera. Pretty flowers. Oh, she's getting her flower pots ready to put out. And tomatoes, they're just still waiting patiently, I guess. Oh well, what are you gonna do? A very nice day today. Wet and cold. Well, on a crappy day like today, I thought one of the things I'd do is, old Black Sabbath here needed a new battery. So I slapped a new battery in it. I don't know, 85 bucks for a motorcycle battery. It's a lot of money. That's a gel battery there that was in it. It didn't hold up for shit. I wouldn't give you a nickel's worth of shit for one of them. Drain the gas out. Put some fresh gas in it. Let's see if we got some fire. Too crappy to go riding, but I just want to hear it run. I built this old bike after I wrecked it back in '91. Rebuilt it, put it in a custom frame. I don't know, we'll see. Let's fire it up once. See if she goes. It's either gonna go or blow, right? Shave my beard off too, huh? Check it out, huh? take you all on a ride, but it's kind of a nasty day. Have a good one. See you later. Time to go in the house.